Congratulations! You got a 1-week hall pass from the spouse. Vacation days have accrued. It's time to scratch that itch with a really cool trip. Or maybe you just got an empty afternoon and you want a change of scenery a little closer to home. Well, whichever it is, it's time to go. But where do you want to go? Alice in Wonderland's Cheshire Cat said it best. If you don't know where you're going, any road will take you there. So how do you navigate? I'll take a quadrant and plot a drive that involves a number of public access locations in a concentrated area. So when one doesn't pay off, you can punt and go to the next one without having to drive all the way across the county.